Asante Kotoko starman Richmond Lamptey could be the last game out boy for Kumasi Asante Kotoko in the first round of the Ghana Premier League, could be against RTU. And you didn't see they bro, and they Boxing Day edition. We patch out with them boxing BB, the former out of what senior citizens are more platform so. And Kamewa Kwenye ya and Kene Kibedi Kasubum in live boxing. Bepacho yatnas ya haye super 24 TV. Agudi ebunsem ye de bro de kohwi ekobre man. Ye di bro nya no ba still na information ne to ho a na wo se ye de bro e wo fie ha. Obetima follow social media handle no so. Facebook super 24 TV and Instagram you Kumasi blog man. Unsubscribe wa ha wadaro man no hit the rest subscribe button. Now what wadaro man so near build a house together. Yes, me say de bia agudi ebunsem no metaka se ye de gigi ani e wo wiase de ehia pa e nyame asem enum ti de wo se ene 26th of December 2023. Let's take this message as a light for our path for today. Never forget where you are coming from and never forget where you are heading to. Always make sure that your self-awareness button is on. Let me take it again. Never forget where you are coming from and never forget where you are heading to. And always make sure that your self-awareness button is on. Meaning, baby a ukubiano, baby a ubiano, in refi baby a ufriba. Sa ukai iwias baby a ufriba tembia oho down so. Na usa kai te baby a opesa ukwa. Your destination baby a opesa udrua tembiano. Ema we well focused. And ebium your self-awareness button. Any kwanse urefie ho e wa brabo we mu. Ene ye nenam hey sa ye urefie ho kra kasa bi e be free animu aba no enye. Si ye urefie ho a nipa timi fire se eye de enioma. Entitem bia no make sure say your self-awareness button no is on. Never get carried away. Je wo ye bia ni je na woni age wo se no urefie no ho no akoye de enye. Aweho na aba no de aweho aka asem bi. Menua, never forget where you are coming from and never forget where you are heading to. And always ensure that your self-awareness button is on. This is the message for our life, for our path. And net Boxing Day, ye di Boxing Day. Now, Kumasi Asante Kotoko there. Unim say the provisional squad of Chris Hilton, player your friend Richmond Lamptey eka home. Na abeto dwa say no Ghana be kwa campaign South Africa. Na Ghana campaign no sa twi o ye say enye twi papa wo mabu mu kitim. Saturday na Ghana be bu mu kitim. Na Saturday na Ghana be bu mu kitim dia, which is 31st campaign be sha say South Africa. Na ekoba de sa Richmond Lamptey already on the part of the 55-man squad that you are inviting on. What it means, they say Obekobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko last away game on the ball for Kwatano Bebono. What it means that Richmond Lamptey is not going to be part. If the game is going to be played on Sunday, but sa first channel and penny for a chibe ni mu kakra. No me say yam born Friday day obitimabo and sana wa joining the teammates or Black Stars camp. The airban. Now here is the dynamics. And ne Kumasi Asante Kotoko currently omo break and no man training. And ne which is Tuesday and so omo training because at least omo family omo di bronya. Yem break here, but and a holiday is a Boxing Day, and then now was Christmas Day. You don't expect the players and coaches, technical staff, no normal could not feel so. You training giddy. I don't know bobo na kohin. It's the NSA. I'm told so when you training. So more a Wednesday, Thursday to prepare for the next league encounter against Bofwa Kwatano. And it is unlikely say game no ever so Friday. Game no what we told they say a Sunday. That's a traditional date for Ghana Premier League, Sunday. But in the event, say about so Friday, so enyame nwanwa. Say about so Friday, Richmond Lamptey, ebinya hon no Kumasi Kotoko. ansana we free camp eko Black Stars ono. Black Stars ono by Saturday they no mu take you off. There no. Now, na de we kra wo dwen ho a 55-man squad no. E na eko hia wo South Africa wo. Obuko hia wo South Africa ho na. E na coach na ebede na wa observe players no. Because by 3rd of January also opening the squad no down to 27 no the Macaf. Enti players bebrebe hey Ghana. Enti 55-man squad na coach no decided say obename no. Was it necessary? Why shouldn't he have gone straight ahead? Now one name 27. But say Ghana has said no baby eco campaign no there is issues. And no a list of countries omu baby omu players ene omu national teams be campaign ba Ghana nko adrimike ko South Africa amanfo tweben Cote d'Ivoire ebi be campaign Ghana Namibia be campaign Ghana amanfo be campaign Togo because they are the neighboring countries to the Cote d'Ivoire. Mpenifo emesidi wan ha wo konwasema wo be di omatem because enyo musika utumfo nyankopon emeyenti ase. The blogman agudi emu sem na me de buy me wie meduma me de busi a acha bebre yendi kasobom e wo comment section.